I find when I'm working with parents that sometimes their kids, especially their older teens, start doing things that they either don't like or can't approve or religiously doesn't work for them. Whether it's they find out their kids are gay or their kids want to go into a profession that they don't particularly care for or whatever it is. With this idea that you have this covenant that keeps you being the parent no matter what. That means no matter what, they're still your kid, they still need your assistance, and as they get to be older teens and into their 20s, what you think doesn't really matter too much after a while. So you need to be the best parent you can be, to continue to guide them as best you can, but at the same time, know that as they get older, they're going to have to start making some of their own choices. Your role as their coach and their parent is still there when called upon.